multi-tool.
For the
got one
win.
of these, you need one of these. It's a DeWalt multi-tool, and it is amazing for everything, especially if you're female doing construction. The DeWalt grinder, on the other hand, is very disappointing. I used 2 of them, and it didn't work. And then I used another plug-in one. That one didn't work, but much to my surprise, the Black & Decker grinder got it done the best. Like, shocking.
I know.
$50 grinder, y'all. Save
Great.
yourself some money. And I'm a DeWalt girl. I'm a big box girl. I'm not really, a fan of getting my tools, like that. But that was a crunch situation. It ended up like being a win. So glory to God on that find.
Yeah. Whoop whoop. Yep. We have under here because we do not know.
Yeah, we're about to cut this copper line. Get this bad boy out of here. So
I don't know.
should be fun.
Should be fine.
Right, we're just gonna do it.
Back there? Wait, stand
Right
by, stand by. Good afternoon, Jamie.
Hi.
So what are we doing to the bus today?
Well, I'm trying to get this AC out. I had to get the electrical wires not live. And then now I gotta work on the Freon, because you can see right here, those Freon lines. Let me see. We gotta unhook those, drain them and unhook them. And then we have all the inside done. We're gonna get an AC unit to put up there. And then, yeah. There's the panel. Ready to help, Andy?
Sure. What can I do?